Hello everyone, it's the DeFi Bull here with another video in the Sceptre tutorial series. In this short video I will show you how you can unstake your sFLR. So I'm going to click on unstake, and as you can see in the top my wallet is connected. If you've seen the previous video, you have seen the amount that I have staked. So I can unstake the maximum amount here, which is 29,016 sFLR, and I'll be receiving a ratio of 1.2089. This is obviously for test purposes. I would advise you to leave them in there a little longer so you can profit from the drops and from the rewards, obviously, but it is for testing, so I'm not actually going to unstake them. What I do like to point out, so just so you pay close attention at this moment, if you put the sFLR to work on another protocol, let's say you have them in Kinetic or you have them in a pool somewhere, they will not show in your wallet. Well, I am using Bifrost, so I know I've written down how much I have staked, so I know the exact amount. Always make sure that the sFLR are back in your wallet first. If you use them in any other protocol and you want to unstake them, it's not going to be possible because the balance of your sFLR will show 0 or whatever sFLR you have in your wallet. Let's say you have more sFLR in your wallet for whatsoever reason, then bear in mind you don't need to unstake more than you have actually staked. So I hope this makes all clear about the unstaking. And in the next videos, I'll be talking about the rewards ratio, the APR, the APY. So there's much more to come in this series. So please subscribe to my channel and follow me on X for updates. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.